How to log out from Yahoo app. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Yahoo Mail application and make sure you are signed in. And now, to log out, tap on your profile icon on the top left of your screen and further tap on the settings option. You will then see the option for Manage Accounts. Tap on that and in this interface, you will be able to view all the accounts that you have signed into in this particular Yahoo Mail application. Tap on the Edit option on the top right of your screen and then tap on the Remove option beside the profile you want to remove. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Tap on the Remove option and with this, the profile will be removed and further logged out. So, this is how you can log out from Yahoo app. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end. See you on the next one.